Hey there, Pauline here from Subtl Beauty, back with another Subtl tutorial. Today we're going to show you a super practical video of how to get ready on the go. This is what Subtl is all about for busy women who still want to look and feel their best. So we're quite literally going to show you how to get ready in just a few minutes. So what I'm going to do is time myself to do a 3-minute makeup look, and then if I have a couple extra minutes, say 5 minutes versus 3, I'll show you what I would add on to spruce the look up even more. And either way, I'm gonna feel good leaving, but I wanna give you guys those options of what you can do in short amounts of time. So to keep myself honest, I'm literally timing myself, so let's get started. All right, first things first, I'm gonna do a little bit of Tinted Moisturizer coverage with my own Tinted Moisturizer. This is definitely a staple for me. If I'm doing more of like an event or a more serious outing, I would probably put on a more like light to medium coverage foundation, but for day to day, you know, I'm just using my Tinted Moisturizer. And then from there, I'm gonna go in with my concealer. Under my eyes, I'm in the shade Arlington. So I'm just gonna use my finger and I'm gonna just put the concealer right in this like divot that I see here and start to push that into my skin. I'm also gonna pull it down around my nose, you know, here. And then I'm just gonna shut up and go since we're on a time crunch, ladies, aren't we? Okay, now that I have that done, I'm gonna move into lip and cheek. I'm going in with the shade Mauve. I'm gonna warm it up on my finger and just start to place this on my cheeks. These products are awesome because you can layer, move around with the warmth of your hand. You can also apply with a brush, and lip and cheek, you know, I'm also gonna apply that to my cheeks. All right, we're a minute and a half down. From there, I'm going to curl my lashes and go in with some mascara. Now, if I was really going all out, I would like do my mascara a little bit slower, but for day to day, I just want my eyes to look awake. So that curl of the lash is really gonna help. I just like to do like a quick little layer. All right, we're at the 2-minute mark. Okay. Now on to brows. I am just going to brush my brows out. I'm literally just using a drugstore brow pencil. We're at 220. I like to just fill in the sparse areas with little hair-like strokes. And just brush those up. Great. I have like 25 seconds. So I'm gonna go in actually with the Rosé highlighter. I'm gonna use a blush, or I'm sorry, a highlighter brush for this. Just pop that right here. And then you can even just do a little bit in the inner corner, a little bit on the nose. And we're at 2:58. We'll let it time out at 3 minutes. So that is my like fresh, I'm getting out the door, I need to like feel put together. Now, if I had a little extra time, these are the steps that I would do. So I'm gonna start myself again and show you with those 2 extra minutes what I would say to add in. All right, so for an all day look, I'm gonna wanna set my under eyes with that concealer. The Subtl concealer is super creamy and it's really hydrating. But for an all day wear, I do like to use a little fluffy setting brush to kind of like micro set under my eyes, and the shine control powder is amazing for this. I just like to get right in here. I might pull that down around the nose where I had added that concealer as well. And again, this is just gonna really keep me locked in. And then from there, I'm gonna go in and use their warm bronzer. I'm gonna use my little bronzer brush, it's a little bit fluffier, and I'm just gonna kind of like hug the underneath of where I put my lip and cheek, and then just start to work it into my hairline. I like using these fluffier brushes because it goes on a little lighter, and then I can like build from there and just buff out as much as I need to. I can also pull that down here. All right, we're at 4 minutes. From there, I might add a little extra lip gloss to my lips. And then I might even take just a little bit of an eyeliner and just slowly like hug my bottom lashes. We're at 437. I'm just gonna smudge that out. And then I'm gonna hit my bottom lashes with that mascara. Since I didn't get to do that the first time, and I might go back over the mascara one more time. And that would be like my fresh look. You can get all of this within 5 minutes with Subtl's stacks. They're amazing. You can bring them on the go with you. You can touch up as needed. And they're just made for the girl who is busy but still wants to look her best. So, hope this was helpful, and let's see your 3 to 5 minute makeup look. Let us know how you use our stacks to get yourself together in a pinch. Bye everyone.